Welcome guys to another video. Welcome to ORI Farm. It's the entrance. You open that gate and you enter to the world of poultry farming. This is the compound. Now these are the goose, as you can see. You are bathing and sitting down to enjoy the sunlight. The breeds. Next we have the turkeys. Those are different breeds also. In front we have the male and those two are the females. Look at the beauty of those birds. We have the ducks. There we have different breeds of ducks. All of them are in the duck family. We have Peking ducks, we have the roan ducks, and we have the khaki Campbell duck. They don't go close to each other. They love staying at the same spot. Video, please consider subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of this to come. Also hit that like button if you're enjoying the video. Next we have our coop, that is the entrance. Straight forward, you will find the goose nesting area. These are the nesting areas we built with you on the other video, so if you haven't watched how to make them, go and watch. That's a Taurus female sitting on her eggs. Next we have the turkey nesting area. As you can see, there is one egg that was laid not long ago, and there we have another female, a turkey female sitting on the eggs. This is where the turkeys sleep also, and that they sleep up there. Next we have the ducks sleeping area and also their laying area. If you all know, when Khaki Campbell and Pekin don't sit on their eggs, they just lay. Next is the brooding area. This is where we put all our chicks and their mothers. This is where they stay. If it's the turkey, it's around a month and a half. If it's the goose, it's for like 2 weeks. This is where they stay. We have 2 separate rooms. We have that one and we have this one. Currently being used to store the food because we don't have gooselings or poults currently. So this is the space we have cut so that the goose can be able to access their coop. Guys, this is our compound. As you can see, this is the green grass that the goose and the turkeys feed on as vegetables. We also give them kales and cabbage leaves. Guys, enjoy watching our beautiful birds. If you're watching right now, please, and you have not subscribe to this channel. Also like, share and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a video, you get notified. On our next video, I'll be showing you how to differentiate between a male and a female goose, turkey, ducks, and all the birds we have in the farm. So subscribe and make sure you watch the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one.